Hey everybody, this is BB Tech Help here with a short little unboxing video. A couple days ago, a few keys on my Dell Latitude D600's keyboard fell off, and so instead of trying to replace them, the little key binding plastic thing was broken. Just bought a new keyboard from eBay for $1.25, so thank you. Now I'm going to unbox it. And if this is not the keyboard, then it's going to be a very big embarrassment, because it only weighs like 5 ounces. Let me scoot over to the side here. There we go. There it is. There we go. So let me just cut it open. Three layers of tape. Whoa. Here we go. Here's the open box, and now we are faced with some. Here's a receipt. Here's the shipper. My KB Direct Store, I believe. Item number and description: Dell Laptop D600, D500, or D800 keyboard. Model number 1M745. Quantity 1. And here it is. First of all, of course, we have the very cool bubble wrap. Very poppy bubble wrap. Then we have the keyboard. And wow. Wow. Said this keyboard, of course it's a big company, so they can't really give information on any specific keyboard, but they said this keyboard was used, and it does not look used. All the keys, let me bring it a little closer. All of the keys still have their letters, and see, they don't look worn at all, and this thing is so light. On the back, of course, we have the cord right here. I'm going to be posting an install video later, or maybe tomorrow or something. Made in China. Very cool. And this particular model, just like my old one, has the trackball right here, which I really like, because sometimes you don't want to reach up all the way and use the mouse button, so you can just use your trackball. And very thin, very pretty, very, very nice, and all the keys feel very, very comfortable. So yeah, my email address is bbwindowshelpbb@gmail.com, and you can email with questions or comments or video ideas or anything. And like I said, I'll be posting an install video later, just to show you how to go about installing a keyboard into a laptop, because it probably can't differ very much from laptop to laptop. And be sure to subscribe to the YouTube, and if you like the video, favorite it, and things like that. So thank you, and bye.